Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials. And yesterday I given this type of post which is the before and after, and tutorial is coming this photo. And for that today I'm making this video for you guys, and lots of respond in the social media community sections. You just guys given me lots of thumbs up and comments over there. Thank you so much for that. Let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Actually, it's free to subscribe my channel. At first, you have to choose up the photo, which photo download link in my video description. Please check it out. Just because of the practice purpose, I want to provide the practice purpose photo in my video description. And it could be your own photo, effects in your photographs actually. So let's start. At first, I'm closing this up. Okay, here was the image which I picked from the pixels.com. Before one was like that, and I want to edit the photo in this one. That means this one to the applying after preset applying. Press Ctrl or Command J. You are getting the like a new layer of this. After that, go to the filter and camera filter. So you know, camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. Filter and camera filter, here it will open up. If you want to like update your camera 12.3, please check out my video description for the update link. And here is load settings options. Just select the morning sun, this effect, and load it up. So let's see the before and after. So what I have done here, let's see. I'll discuss about all the steps. Here I edited from this portion, highlight -36 and temperature 0%, shadow +8, whites +49, blacks -11. Rest of the thing is 0. If you want, you can increase those portion. Here the split toning, you know, split toning is the highlight color and the shadow color, and the hue is which color will be. Here the value, hue value, that is 70, the saturation 32, and the shadow portion I'm giving here 244 for the color, the saturation 7%. You know, saturation is percentage of the color, and hue is the which color will be. And here lots of options, the color mixture, hue, saturation, luminance. So hue is which color will be, and saturation percentage of color, luminance, intensity of the color. At first I'll go to the red portion. Here is the hue +9, orange +18, yellow -26, and like blue -16. Let's go to the saturation percentage of the color. Red percentage obviously up, that is 25, and orange -26, yellow -23, and green -83. And if I go to the luminance portion, that means the intensity of the color, red intensity 62, orange intensity 56, and 51, and 45. Okay, now I'll go to the calibration portion, which is the primary colors. That means red, green, and blue primary colors. Red primary colors, that is hue 8% or 8, which is the color value, and saturation 4. And green primary, that is 25 +25, and the saturation +8, and -15 for the blue primary. And then all the steps is same, and hit the OK button. So you're getting before and after hues change. So this photo is like sun is coming from the behind, and if you want to apply the photo, please choose this type of photo, or you can change the setup. You have that assumption to change it out. So how to do that? Suppose you have the photo like a totally different type photo, it could be. So this image and your image won't be same. I'm going to the open options. Suppose I have the photo like totally different type photo, opening it up. It could be like that, and press Ctrl or Command J. if you apply this preset into this photo, what will be? Let's see. And camera filter, from here going to the load settings options, and the same preset I will applying over there. Load it up. So what was before and after? You are getting amazing effect in your photographs. If you want to change, you can change it out. Here are lots of options. If you want to make it warm type, you can make it warm. Let's see the before and after. So let's see the before and after. So you can apply this preset in your photo as well, and what light will be, it doesn't matter. Whatever light it is, it doesn't matter. You have to change up the portions. Suppose I want to desaturate or devibrate. Okay, vibrance and saturation. Okay, you can make the amazing tone in your photographs. Actually, it's totally depends on the temperature, tint, and other stuffs. It's really amazing. So here it could be the white could be the up, and highlight could be down, or a little bit exposure up. You can make another type of photo. So it doesn't mean that your photo could be like that or not like that. You can use the preset, but you have to set up or like arrange the light, which I just given the instruction earlier. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link, the presets and other stuff, please check out my video description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And stay safe, stay at home. Keep me in your prayers as well. Until the next video, I am signing out. Bye bye.